Roberto,
Huh?
what are you doing?
Oh, I fall asleep.
You know you're trespassing out here, right? Is this yours?
No. That's somebody else.
Put your shoes on. You can come over to my car. I'm going to write you a ticket, okay?
The call was a simple trespassing complaint at a closed park. Just another routine interaction with a man sleeping. The mundane detail: the officer makes the man collect his beer cans, which he denies are his. Then comes the unsettling detail. The officer abruptly abandons the standard ticket, stating, "I've decided that you're going to actually go to jail today." What the body cam allegedly captured next was a stunning display of punitive justice that resulted in a horrific, life-altering injury.
Bravo, Air Tech Bravo to Ray, and
Hey. Yo. Roberto,
Huh?
what are you doing?
Oh, I fall asleep.
You know you're trespassing out here, right? Is this yours?
No. That's somebody else.
Put your shoes on. You can come over to my car. I'm going to write you a ticket, okay?
Okay. All right.
Actually,
Put my shoes.
S41 is the van here, by any chance? Hey, can you come over to 251 15th Street and S41? It's going to be a trespassing on B15.
Oh, you know my ticket?
Yeah, come on over to the car.
Okay.
You got everything that's yours?
Huh?
You're leaving your beer cans behind?
That's all mine.
Yeah, right. That's the one you always drink.
No.
Yes. Yeah, no, it's right next to you. Plus, you always drink those.
Yeah, but that's not mine.
Could you please zip up your fly?
Huh?
Zip up your pants. Do you see this sign right here? You see it? Can you read
Oh,
what?
no, I didn't see it.
What's that say?
No, that's trespass.
Do you know what it's? Okay, so you know that you're not supposed to be here. Which way did you come in?
Huh?
Which way did you come into this park?
Just, I don't know.
Did you walk in from this way or did you walk in from that way?
Go that way.
All right. Well, there's a sign over there
I
too.
didn't see it.
Well,
It's all right.
can't be helped. Can't be helped. Go ahead and drop your bag. You got anything in there?
No, it's nothing.
Just drop it down. You're fine. Drop it on the ground. There you go. Let me get some gloves. How are you? You got anything in your pockets?
¿Qué más sigo,
Take them out.
Tengo el teléfono.
Huh?
El teléfono me sigue.
Okay, put them down there. Anything else?
Nothing else.
Put your arm up. Gotta make sure. Oh, you got more stuff. Pamphlet.
Oh, that's what they got.
What is
Like,
that?
by the church.
Okay. Chinese church?
Yeah.
Okay. No drugs or nothing?
No.
Okay. Nothing in your shoes?
No, nothing.
No?
No.
Oh, you got a hernia, huh?
Huh? Yeah.
No.
According to the subsequent lawsuit, the officers were allegedly operating not with a goal of enforcement, but of punishment. Officer Gaddis is heard confronting Roberto. "You get tickets all the time. You don't care. You don't change your ways." This mindset is key. They allegedly bypassed the standard practice of issuing a civil ticket for the sole purpose of teaching him a lesson.
Yeah.
You want to have me ticket?
No, you're going to take the ride today.
Huh?
I've decided that you're going to actually go to jail today.
Oh,
Had
no,
far
please.
too many problems with you.
Please, let me take it.
No, absolutely not. We're getting all kinds of complaints. Can't be doing this. Okay? So he's coming now, and then he'll take you out.
Shoot, I want to.
Let me take it, please.
No. Come on, let's go over here. You get tickets all the time. You don't care. You don't change your ways. Right here.
Wait, what? Number 1. The transport van arrives driven by Officer Thacker, who allegedly reinforces this philosophy. The officer states, "I think after a certain many, it should be a felony after a certain many. A year in jail might solve the problem." This reveals an alleged premeditation. The officers allegedly viewed the arrest for a minor crime as a necessary act of social engineering, not a legal mandate.
James still in here? What is in there? Come here, Dad.
Put your handcuffs in front, okay? Put your hand in your waist. See what charged with?
Trespass.
Potato trespass?
Yeah.
I think after a certain minute, this should be a felony after a certain minute.
It
I do
should.
too.
After a certain amount of vague crime, it should be a felony. So,
What's that?
a year in jail might solve the problem.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Number 2. Roberto is placed into the transport van. According to his attorney, officers applied a belly chain, a restrictive device that immobilizes the man's hands and arms, preventing him from protecting or bracing himself inside the vehicle. This detail, intended for security, becomes central to the horrific events that allegedly follow. They had completely incapacitated his ability to react to sudden movement.
Keeps coming in contact.
Yeah?
Doesn't change his ways. What can we do?
A year in jail would probably.
Wait, what? Number 3. The drive begins. The lawsuit alleges that during the trip to the jail, the officer driving the van deliberately stopped short, using the vehicle itself to inflict injury. This sudden, violent jolt, combined with the man's full restraint, allegedly threw Mr. Sanchez Mayan forward and into the bulkhead of the van. The driver did not stop or offer aid. Upon reaching the jail, Officer Thacker opens the door and finds Roberto Alejandro Sanchez Mayan motionless on the floor. He's unconscious, Thacker reports. The subsequent body cam footage, according to the lawsuit, captures the final brutal handling. Officers allegedly pulled the man out by his ankles, his head visibly bopping on the floor and bopping on the door, and ultimately bopping on the pavement. The human element. The outcome of that alleged short-stop maneuver was catastrophic. Roberto Sanchez Mayan suffered a fractured and broken neck. He is now paralyzed and, due to his injuries, required double leg amputation. His sentence, as his attorney states, is now round-the-clock care at a nursing home for the simple act of sleeping in a public lot. The St. Petersburg Police Department denies the claims made in the lawsuit, which seeks damages against the city and the officers, trusting in the judicial process to resolve these tragic and disturbing allegations. Final unresolved detail. The question remains, was the initial stop intended to teach a lesson? And did that alleged punitive mindset escalate into a life-shattering crime? The St. Petersburg Police Department has officially denied the claims and trusts in the judicial process to resolve this matter. The question raised by this lawsuit is monumental. When does the intent to teach a lesson cross the unforgivable line into excessive force and negligence? We ask you, what is the true cost of noncompliance, and what is the responsibility of the state when its actions result in life-altering tragedy? This is a developing civil case, and we will continue to follow the proceedings of Sanchez Mayan versus City of St. Petersburg. If you believe accountability is paramount, Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to track the resolution of this tragic and controversial lawsuit.